Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today we're going to be looking at the Mercedes ML350 and that front grille. Many of you are driving around with the old stock black front grille. I'm going to show you how to change that out, where to get the part, and how to do this properly and make your ML350 beautiful and great again. Let's get started. Help me grow the channel by subscribing today. Thanks. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start by opening the hood of the car, SUV. And I'm changing this grille out because, you know, got some damage here. And this damage was caused by me a couple months back. We're going to remove these tabs. We're going to need these pins. So we're going to hold on to these pins here. And there is a bolt here and a bolt here that we're going to have to address to get this off. So let's get started with that. Let's start off with the bolt, 10mm. Go to the opposite side, same story. Next we're gonna take off these double barrel pins, flathead screwdriver in the middle just to get it up. This tool is handy, by the way. I use it to take off door panels, pins. Links to this tool and the grill are in the description below. Pull the pin out. Then you can just pop this out. I have my finger underneath. Same thing with this one. Start working the pin up a little. Okay, so everything's disconnected as far as tabs and bolts. Now down inside, to get this out, you will then have to disconnect from the base here another tab. Pull it up. Alright, so we're looking at the new grille that we're going to be putting on. So they send you these pieces that you have to then simply click in, and there are 3 slots right there, 3 pins on this guy. Slide it all the way to the base. Notice the cutout. Notice these 2 slots right here. We're going to use those to line up the emblem. The emblem has 3M tape. So what we're going to then do is we're going to set up those notches like that and slide it into place and get it going. I'm going to go ahead and remove the 3M tape. Then I'm going to go ahead and line this up, making sure that my pins go in place. That's the most important thing before I press down that 3M tape. Those little notches need to slide in place. Then you press down the tape like that. Now, things to note. This tab right here, this tab right here, to the left, this tab right here. It slides in and clicks in place. Extra care has to be taken to make sure that that happens without breaking anything. So we're going to focus on these 3 tabs when putting it in place. That's 1. Clips right into place very nicely. That's 2. And that's the 3rd one, all set for those tabs. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our pins in place. Tab without the pin, push the tab in, then push the pin in. Push the pin in. Next we got to line up that hole. Looks like they have that hole set up for a pin and not a bolt. Not a big deal. We'll make it happen. Do the same with the bolts on the right. Remember, this is plastic. Don't go crazy on it. I think that looks much better. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.